Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint mangoes in Slime Rancher. First, you'll need to unlock the ancient ruins, which is a crucial step to access the area where these special fruits grow. Once there, navigate to the specific zone within the ruins. Make sure your backpack is fully upgraded. This will allow you to gather all the mangoes you find without any hassle, making your collection efforts much smoother and more productive. Now, let's pinpoint those elusive mint mangoes. As you explore the ancient ruins, keep an eye out for large, unique trees that bear green and purple fruit. These are the mint mango trees, and they only grow in this specific region. You'll often discover them near small ponds or on slightly elevated platforms, so be sure to thoroughly check these spots as you traverse the landscape. Once you've found a tree, simply use your backpack to harvest the ripe mint mangoes. These delicious fruits are a favorite of hunter slimes, and feeding them a mint mango will yield double the plorts, significantly boosting your plort production. If you want a steady supply, plant a collected mango in a garden back at the ranch. This ensures you'll have a continuous harvest for your hungry slimes. To maximize your mint mango farming, consider building a garden specifically for them, ideally close to your hunter slime corrals. This proximity makes feeding much more efficient. For even greater ease, install an auto-collector in your mango garden. It will automatically gather all the ripe fruit for you. Finally, always ensure you have plenty of free inventory slots in your backpack before heading out to collect.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.